Good morning and welcome to SirToshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Tuesday, the 28th of June, 2022. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. BuyBSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online. The original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Right, here we go. Rock and roll. Looking forward to getting through these figures this morning then. So we've got Coin BTC SegWit protocol at $20,903. Again, it's got a fundamental value of absolutely zero. When education catches up with speculation, that speculative price will match its fundamental value at zero. It's really not looking good. There is a long way to fall. So then we've got Bcrash as well, what a joke, and then Fisher Price Cash. But then we've got Bitcoin, BSV, the original protocol that goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on Earth, as in it's an extension of our own personal freedoms and liberties. Right, let's do this then. So price $59, absolute bargain. Hash rate 0.17, network nodes 0.46, transactions 75%, block size 97.8, absolutely massive. So remember, these are data management networks. The data is uploaded by the transactions are processed by the nodes are what supply the hash rate, the correct SHA-256, and the hash rate is attracted to the price. But everything starts with data. No data, no value. It's that simple. So can you see what I mean when I say $20,903 for BTC? There is no data on the chain. It is a ghost chain, I'm afraid. Let's have a look at these blocks coming through then. So it looks like we have got 401, so half a gigabyte block this morning. It's pretty good. Looks like Tal and SBI Crypto and Unknown Miners having a belter. That's pretty good. So Coin, we got a 1.6 megabyte block. Oh dear. Roger has got a 4.8 megabyte block. Well done, Roger. Still doesn't compare anywhere near 447 megabytes. Hash rates. So hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative, and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. Proof of work by network, it's all coming over to the genuine Bitcoin because none of the other chains have any value whatsoever. It's currently 7,541 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Coin. It's 2.3% more profitable to mine on SV. Let's see what's going on there. It's also 1% more profitable to mine on eCash, but look at that. It's always more profitable to mine on BTC than Bcrash. I don't think that's a coincidence at all. It cracks me up. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network, Bitcoin absolutely smashing it. Transactions by network, Bitcoin winning. Transactions per block, Bitcoin winning. Fees USD on the way down, looking good. Fee SirToshi's going down. Block fee to block reward ratio, looking healthy at the moment. That's going to rocket soon. Daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. Where are we now? Let's have a look at this. So we are now 4.38. Absolutely huge. Absolutely huge. Global hash rate then. So global hash rate 7 days. Foundry SV pool 22.6. That's huge. Let's see where they're mining though. Global hash rate 24 hours. BTC hash rate. Look, Foundry SV 21% on there. Dear oh dear. Foolish. Bcrash, look at that. So other miners, just giving the others an opportunity to, mine another chain if they want, but they're always making a loss. It's still 0.7% more profitable to mine on BTC than Bcrash. It's an absolute joke. All the gear and no idea. And then we've got Fisher Price Cash. Won't even bother with that one. And then we've got Bitcoin. Oh, look at this. So other mining pools increasing their hash rate to 40.28. So it's I think they've just brought the profitability down because I saw that was actually 4% more profitable to mine earlier. So maybe they're changing that. But that's all right. It's all about just squeezing the shitcoin miners off the chain. The reason we don't want any shitcoin miners on the chain is because the only thing they understand is dollar worshipping, which leads on to price manipulation, which we will look at now in the short positions. Here we go. So short positions on Bitcoin still leveling out. Oh, going up. There we did. Long position. Our long position is going down. Honestly, the majority of traders just do not have a clue what they are doing. Let's have a look at BTC here again. Oh, longs flattening off. Not really any movement here because the price is kind of like bobbing along the bottom there. Let's have a quick look at hash rate just quickly on Mazari. Here we go. Look at that. Just on its way down slightly, but that is a sustainable increase. That is very sustainable increase. It might not stay the same all the time, but that is definitely an increase there. That's not a spike. Very good, very good. Bit info charts. Let's have a look at this then. Oh, look at this. Transactions going up 25%. 25%. Awesome. We'll have a look at crypto fights when we get to BSV data, see if they've got over 200,000 transactions. That'd be good. It wouldn't surprise me if they did. That's huge. That's huge. Loving that. So for anybody who doesn't know what mining operations look like, these are they. This is the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commercial internet. Commoditized internet. Absolutely blows my mind every time. Chainlytics. Here we go. Block size. Oh, 170 for Bitcoin. Absolutely massive. So we got average fees here as well. Market cap. Remember, BSV will gobble all of this up because they are all absolutely and utterly worthless. These are all proof of work blockchains. So the issue with Coolcoin is that they've had SegWit implemented, which segregated the digital signatures from the transaction data, so you can't legally prove who sent you the transaction. Bcrash are actually deleting digital signatures to make the network anonymous, so it's economically worth. The same with Monero. Litecoin, again, they've made an implementation recently that's made it anonymous, and Charlie Lee doesn't want anything to do with it because he's exit scammed. Ethereum is moving to proof of stake, and they did an IPO. Massive failure. They can't scale anyway. Cardano's got a single miner of input-output Hong Kong. What a joke. Just turn them off and it's gone. And then Dogecoin has got an inflationary supply because it has a central source of control. Oh dear. So you've only got Bitcoin remaining. Coin carbon cap. Again, they don't want Bitcoin SV on here because it goes against the narrative of how proof of work is meant to be inefficient when actually it's the most efficient system on the planet. Scaling test network. So we've had a 3.7 gigabyte block on the mainnet in the last 24 hours. Very good. Here we go. BSV data. So data size. Meta ID going down. I wonder what's going on there. Run protocol though having a belter. 219,876 transactions in the last 24 hours. That's huge from Run protocol. That must be to do with crypto fights. Let's have a look at that now. So crypto fights is an application. There we go. Look at that. Crypto fights over 200,000 transactions in 24 hours. That's 201,214. That's where the volume of transactions is coming from. Beautiful, beautiful. Trends.cash. So yep, TDXP apps ranking by money spent, storming away there. Apps ranking by performed actions though. Run, SV, and crypto fights. Yep, excellent. Crypto Quant, check it out. Yep, the exchanges have been cashing out and they're still cashing out, but the price of BTC is on its way down. Tether doesn't seem to be printing anymore. What's on chain? Good question. What is on chain? So we've got 539 petahashes on there at the moment, and we've had 898,000 transactions in the last 24 hours. Good stuff. Whale Wallet, last movement was on the 20th of June. What is this? The morning run. So purchases 6. I don't know what. Let's market cap is what we want. 24-hour trade volume. That BSV should be at the top unless this just it simply isn't working. Holders. Oh, all right. So whoever it is that's put SWT on there. Don't know what that is, but it's illegal security offering. It looks like it's got something to do with SirToshi. Never mind. Never mind. But yeah, there's it's not recording the number of purchases of BSV on there anymore, which is a bit of a shame. Never mind. Let's have a look at live coin watch. So $60 price. Looks like we've had just a little dip in the price there that some could take advantage of. And we've got 2.3 million bids versus 1.6 million asks. Price is on the way up. Let's have a look at the coins. Core coin trade volume, 3% of its market cap. Let's see where Bitcoin is in the scheme of things. Let's have a look. What are we past? There we go. Number 45. Gecko, how are we feeling about it today? Gecko feeling good. 72%. We'll take that. Tether. Here we go. Oh, what's this? Is Tether losing its peg? What's going on? What's going on? 7 days. Oh, look at that. It's literally just dropped below what is acceptable. Oh, that's not looking good. That's not looking good at all. That's that's come down quite substantially. Well, I mean, considering its market cap, but that's below the acceptable levels there. Depegging. Let's have a look at the market cap then. So yeah, in a day it's dropped. It looks like it's dropped 100. It looks like it's dropped like 100 million. In market cap, still going down. Let's have a look. Yeah. Oof. If it keeps on going, which it will do, you know, that's really going to flip the market. Crikey. Let's have a look at Bittrex then. Okay, so first time I've seen downward candles on the price here. Dirty traders should be trading on DXS app. Do you remember, dirty traders can be unsullied on DXS app. Right, let's have a look at Bitcoin versus Core Coin. Oh yeah, I say Core Coin just gaining ground slightly over the last few days. Let's have a look at Core Coin versus USD. Trying to level itself out, but again, systemic risk in there. Oh dear. Let's have a look at Coinbase, down 83%, still not looking good at all for them. MicroStrategy down 64%, not looking good for them either. And on to Silver. Look at these views going up. They're going up by about 10 every day. That's all right. 10 people waking up, so we now have got 1,177 views. Right, we'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed the show. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.